I'm about to go pick up a gaming mouse. So yeah, let's go do that. All right, mission successful. I picked up a gaming mouse. Turns out the tripod that I got is fucking shit. So I'm going to return it tomorrow. Today I got my car full of shit, as you can see, with living it rough. I'll go into that later, but right now I want to head home, so let's do it. I'm at home and yeah, no fucking idea what I'm doing. Seeing what happens. So subscribe. Not exciting. Alright, well, I unpacked my car, and as you can see behind me, I've got even more stuff in this tiny room. So I'm probably gonna have a little shower and then clean it up. Can't be living in a pigsty. So yeah. Whew. Well, I feel a lot better after that shower and a huge day I did not record. Had a little bit of a shave. Now it's time to tackle all of this. Bloody, it's mostly just clothes that floor, but yeah, for time lapse or something. Well, the easy start is all the rubbish. Okay, well, kind of figured there was going to be something like that. All my trinkets up here. Watch. Pillows. Water. Microphone. Tripod to return. That took a minute, but it's looking a lot better. I kind of just shoved all the clothes in one there. CD collection. Got some camping shit. That's the best I'm gonna get it tonight. I have to go through and not only hang them all up, figure out which ones are clean. Everything's muddy and dirty from being out on the farm. Fucking fantastic. But that's the now and go get some dinner. Yeah. Okay, here's the car now. Get everything out of it. So now, a matter of going and get food here. As you can see, pack of durries. Alright, I'm in the Subway. I ended up just taking the bloody lapel mic out because could I please get a veggie delight on a 6-inch Italian? I'll get everything, please. I'll have the avo too.
All of that.
All the salads. A little bit more. No carrot.
And if you pick a drink. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Mission accomplished. I'm in my car. There's a few tables and shit that are. Ugh. Sparks, all the veg. Eat it right here on the bonnet of my car. Right. So oh. Yeah. But now I had a feed. You can tell I've had a big day because the mind fog's going crazy. What do I want? That's ridiculous. Not gonna get cafe yet. Well, those are 600 mil. Might just get the drinks in the Subway. Save a little bit of coin. So you got the same. Hey. So just one way to stack it. And earning more, obviously. But advice vlog. Well, not.
Thank you.
Have a good night, eh? I say drinks. Close to fucking something you should be drinking. Kit. Fucking Coca-Cola. But around, deal with them later. Balanced fucker. Shit. Yeah, that's a pretty good angle. I find though these things are so fucking fizzy. You gotta open them. I don't know if you see that on camera, but there's all the fizz comes out of the top. And then even when I do that, still too fizzy. So like, shake it up a little bit, get all that shit. And I'll let it explode on the outside of the car. Get rid of all that fizz. Fuck, that's great. Whatever crack they put in these, man, get you coming back. I'll tell you what. Oh. 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 Okay. Well, I think that pretty much wraps it up for this one, because I had a big day. I didn't really record much of it at all, as you probably noticed, because you didn't see most of it. But I want to be doing this more often, every day, in fact. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna pass the fuck out and edit this video before I do that and post it, and then yeah, fucking, you know, do that shit. But it was a big day. It's a big day. Like, I travelled all the way up to the Sunshine Coast from Brisbane, picked up this car after spending hundreds of dollars at the mechanic. I got it back and all of the interior power was fucked. And so I took a look at the fuses. The 100 amp alternator fuse, which is a fusible link, which basically links the rest of the car together, was burst. And then so I had to run around trying to find one of those. Eventually found one, and then I spent about probably like half an hour trying to get the fuse box out and put the new one back in, which I was successful in doing, and in which case I got my car to work. And then I pretty much just drove straight down to Brisbane, unpacked all my shit. That's pretty much where you've seen when I got back, unpacked my stuff, cleaned my room, and then now I left and got dinner and a drink, and now I'm gonna go back, as I said, edit this video and go to sleep. And then I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and do a bunch of laundry. I'm gonna return the fucking shitty mic and the shitty tripod that I bought. Wait until I can afford a semi-decent one. I don't need to go balling out, but as typical with these things, the cheapest is the shittest. And the tripod can't even hold the weight of my phone, and as soon as I opened it, it basically snapped in half. So not going to be using that. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Peace.